My name is Mr. P, and together we are going to learn to speak English. Today, you will have to tell me the name of the fruits I'm going to show you. Are you ready? Here we go! What fruit is this? A. Apple. B. Strawberry. C. Cherry. And the right answer is B. Strawberry. What fruit is this? A. Lemon. B. Pineapple. C. Banana. And the right answer is C. Banana. What fruit is this? A. Peach. B. Orange. C. Mango. And the right answer is B. Orange. What fruit is this? A. Grapes. B. Blueberries. C. Cherries. And the right answer is A. Grapes. What fruit is this? A. Pineapple. B. Watermelon. C. Papaya. And the right answer is A. Pineapple. What fruit is this? A. Waterfall. B. Watermelon. C. Waterproof. And the right answer is B. Watermelon. What fruit is this? A. Tangerine. B. Peach. C. Plum. And the right answer is B. Peach. What fruit is this? A. Cherry. B. Raspberry. Or C. Blueberry. And the right answer is A. Cherry. What fruit is this? A. Lime. B. Lemon. C. Clementine. And the right answer is B. Lemon. And what fruit is this? A. Kiwi. B. Avocado. C. Pear. And the right answer is A. Kiwi. And that's all. Did you get them all right? I'm sure you did. See you very soon. Bye bye.